I'm getting ready to sandblast and paint this air cleaner for a Pontiac 250 overhead cam 6-cylinder with a 4-barrel quadrajet. That's something you don't see every day. I should have took a video of me tapping out the dents in the snorkel, but I'm stupid and I forgot. So you can see I got it pretty straight. I took everything off it. So now I will put it in my sandblast cabinet, give it some love. I'll take a Scotch-Brite, clean it up, and then prime it, paint it. Some of the stuff you can do when you're bored at home. All right, that's after sandblasting it for a bit with glass bead. Came out pretty good. Some little spots I have to treat, hand sand, but overall it came out nice. I mean, the compressor was having trouble keeping up, honestly, so I may run it through there one more time, but overall it's clean. All the rust is gone. Now I have to prep it and prime it, go from there. So there's the air cleaner all blasted and coat of primer hanging off my snowblower. But nice. I mean, everything looks great in primer, right? So I'll let it dry and I'll give it some sanding and a couple of coats of paint and take it from there. Okay, there's the air cleaner all sandblasted, primed, sanded, and painted. I used Eastwood, what is this stuff? Underhood black, because it dries to a nice like semi-matte finish. So that's it. You can see already it's starting to matte up a little bit. I figure it's never gonna look any better than this. I might as well shoot it now, right? It came out pretty nice, actually. Nice and clean. Just gonna throw the autotherm thing back in after it's dry. That's it. That's it. All it takes is some time sandblasting and banging out dings and priming and sanding and blah, 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 blah. But that's it. That's the whole deal. I did the fan and the upper pulley too while I was at it. Did the harmonic balancer last week. That gets painted engine color though. I think I said it before. If I didn't, this is for a Pontiac 6-cylinder 250 overhead cam 4-barrel engine, the Sprint engine. That's why it's got a quadrajet neck on this thing and such a small air cleaner. They're an odd animal, but should be a fun powertrain in my Firebird, I hope. We'll see. If not, I'll take it out, put something else in. I think it's funny that in all the time I've owned that car, it's never had a Pontiac engine in it. I bought it in '99, had a Chevy 250 6-cylinder in it, and then I had the Chevy 350, then the 455 Olds. So this will be the first Pontiac engine it's had since, I'm gonna say since the early 80s when my brother's friend put that Chevy motor in at the 250. So it'd be kind of funny bringing it back to almost original. Original was a 250 1-barrel. This, like I said, is the Sprint with the quadrajet and the dual exhaust manifold and the bigger cam, all that stuff. But I'll take some video of that engine as it goes together too. It's at the machine shop now, haven't worked onto it, bored out, all that stuff. So that's it, just a quick follow-up on my air cleaner restoration progress. Talk to you later.